Hello everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in today's video we are going to learn a very powerful concept in Python which is called decorators. So first of all, let's see what is a decorator. So a decorator is a function that takes another function and adds extra functionality to it without changing its original code. So in this tutorial, in example 1 we will create a simple function, then we will create a basic decorator, and we're using a symbolic way to create a decorator. Okay, so let's jump into our first task on creating a very simple function. So let's get a start. Suppose I'm creating a greet function, and I will just print hello world. Okay, hello world. Then I will call this function. I'll call this function greet. Oh. Now let's see what will be the output. The output is hello world. Here you can see it is printing hello world. Okay, so this is simple function we have created. Now we will create a basic decorator. Now we will see that why decorator is different than a basic function. So let's see it. So here let's create a function my underscore decorator. Then we will give parameter as function, and here we will create another decorator which we will call wrapper. Okay, wrapper. Then we will print that before function execution, and we will call the function, we will call the function func. Okay, we will call the function, and here we will give another print. Then we will say after function execution. Okay, till now I hope everything is fine. Now what should we do? We will create another function which is our main function. Okay, which is main function, which is greet. So here what we will pass, we will print that, whatever a function that we have created earlier, hello world. Okay, whatever function that we have created earlier. Now here we will give greet variable name, and we will call my underscore decorator, and here we will pass our function which is greet. So here let's see what is happening. So the overall concept here is my decorator is the decorator function. Okay, my decorator is the decorator function, and wrapper is the inner function, and here what is our function parameter here, func. So it is the original function which we are passing through here. Okay, this is our original function, and we are passing this using this parameter greet. Okay, and it will store here, and from here it will print. So it will print before function execution, and it will print our hello world, and then it will print after function execution. So we add extra behavior before and after the function execution. Okay, so let's check it out. So let's run it. Okay, I think there is a bit error I find. Okay, here we have to maybe return a wrapper, otherwise it won't return anything. Wrapper. Okay, now let's save it. return wrapper. I hope everything is fine. Return wrapper. uh, okay, return wrapper. So this should be here. We have to format the document, and also this. I hope everything is fine now. Okay, I hope everything is fine. So let's execute that. Okay, okay, we have to do one thing. We have to call greet. We have to call greet. Now let's save it. Now let's execute. So here you can see before the execution and after hello world is printing, and now after the execution. So here in this way we add extra behavior before and after function execution. So this is nothing but decorator. Now we will see using a symbolic way to create a decorator. So for now I'm just copy this and let's comment it, and here let's paste it out. So here we have already created our my decorator function, then we have created the wrapper function, the function return wrapper. Now what we will do one thing. What we can do here, we can do, suppose let's remove it. So for that I have to give my at the rate of my underscore decorator, then we will give def, then greet. Okay, then we will give print hello world. Okay, so using at the rate of my decorator or a symbolic way we are creating a decorator. So let's see whether it executes or not. Let's clear it and let's execute it. So here you can see before the execution and hello world, and after the execution we are doing the same thing but using a symbolic way to create a decorator. So I hope you understand the concept, guys. So this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.